Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Before we start the 3D moon project, I would like to quickly introduce my very first book, Macrame, The Power of Knots. It will be available on Amazon this month. You can order your copy now through the links that I provided in the product description down below. And now let's start the project. To start the project, first we hang the moon frame using two edge hooks to securely position it in place for knotting. Now we use reverse large head knots to mount the first 4 cords to the frame, each cord measuring 60 cm or 0.7 yards in length. And then we split them in half and slide 2 cords to the end of each side of the frame. We continue to mount the next 4 cords to the frame, each one measuring 80 centimeters or 0.9 yards, and then we continue to split them in half again and slide 2 cords to the end of each side. Next, we mount 8 cords to the frame, each 1 meter or approximately 1.1 yard in length, and after that we slide 4 cords to the end of each side. For the middle section, we mount 40 cords, each measuring 1.2 meters or approximately 1.3 yards in length. And now we start knotting the first row of the button. We will be using the square knot and the left twist spiral knot. First, we take the first 4 cords on the left and tie a square knot. And then take a next 4 cords and tie 2 left twist spiral knots. We will continue knotting this sequence for the rest of the button. It means we tie 1 square knot followed by 2 left twist spiral knots. For the second row, we will skip 2 cords at the beginning and continue tying the sequence of knots. The last 2 cords of this row also remain unknotted. For the third row, we will skip 4 cords this time at the beginning and start knotting the sequence after that. The 4 cords in the end remain unknotted. Now, use your hand to gently push the button to the front and give it a curved shape. It's time to clean up the button. At first, we use fabric glue to secure all the knots on the bottom. And then we trim the excess cords close to the knots using a pair of scissors. You see, now we are done with the first moon. You can repeat all the steps to create another moon following the same technique. Before we glue the two moons together, we will attach all the decorative pieces to the bottom of one moon and one piece on the top. Next, we will use a 50 cm cord or approximately 0.5 yards to wrap one top of the two moons together. And then we also wrap on the other side. To finish this project, we add a piece of cord at the top to hang the 3D moon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials in the future. I hope to see you again in the next video.